Yeah, good day guys and welcome back to my channel today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aloysius. This is a trading channel, right? So like I always say, the purpose of this channel is to share my experience, to dispense knowledge, right? To dispense the knowledge that I have about the market. So if you're just coming across my video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for your boy. Thanks for watching. So guys, what I want to be sharing with you guys today is how to actually analyze the market. How to actually analyze the market. And trust me, if you are good technically, we're not talking about fundamental, but if you can analyze the chart technically and you can follow the trend, be rest assured that you'll be winning most of your trade. It is true. Forget about whatever thing you think about the market or how you place your trade or anything. What we are talking here is basically how to actually analyze the market and follow the trend. Because when you know how to analyze the market and you're actually following the trend, there is like 80% of you winning most of your trade, because it is not just you doing those things. It is not just you like trading. You are just taking advantage of what most people are actually doing. All right, because if you have to trade with the trend and I have to do the same thing, that means 80, 100 people, billions of people all over the world, they will be doing the same thing. And when you are on this positive side, all right, market is likely to go to your direction, because it is not just you that is taking advantage of that trend. But the situation is when you don't really know how to analyze the market and you are trading against the trend, where majority of people are actually placing their order, you'll be placing elsewhere. You see, so there is 100% that you're going to lose the trade. Yes, because let's say the buyers are actually pushing the market higher from a support level, but you actually, there is a way you actually analyze, and it's actually giving you a sign that you should be selling the market. You understand? So I'm not talking about scalping, because you can get in and get out of the market. That one you have to be more smart. But what I mean is this: following the trend. And the way you follow the trend is when you analyze the market. Know whether market is going up, market is going down. Know whether market is actually going a consolidation, move sideways, right? So if you know when market is in a range, downtrend and uptrend, you'll be able to differentiate between. And once you see whichever reaction that it gives you, then it's going to make you to know the next thing that you're going to do. All right, so this is the most simplest way that they taught us that year that I was starting to learn how to trade. All right, and it is called top-down analysis. All right, so I'm going to be breaking it down. Guys, if you can actually pay attention to this video and you can actually replicate the same thing that I'm going to be sharing with you here, trust me, you're going to be good. You don't have to stress your mind. You don't have to overthink. All right, so let us jump into the chart. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's go. As you can clearly see my chart, this is first one we're going to be looking at is GBP AUD. All right, and so this is a monthly time frame, as you can see. So I plotted these levels here. This is a support level and this is a resistance level. All right, so if you go to past market data, if you can be able to scroll back, you could see that this level that I actually plotted out has been proven to be respected in the past data in the market, right? So you could clearly see that we are in an uptrend. Market was making a higher high and higher highs and higher low from this point. You can see that market was making a higher highs and higher lows, and it seems as if it's actually stuck in this range, but it's actually going up, right? So now we have found out that this market is actually an uptrend. All right, you could see this is where it took off from. All right, it took off from here and it was just making a higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher low, higher lows and higher highs. All right, so if you go to, we're going to be taking this horizontal line off. All right, so if you come to this this is a weekly time frame, right? Weekly time frame, you could see that from this point market is actually kind of consolidating, but it's actually making a higher high. All right, look at it from here, it's still making a higher high and it just went up here and it's kind of dropping, but market still has not changed the trend. All right, the trend has not really changed. So we're going to be spotting our resistance and support zone here as well. Okay, we're going to be spotting our resistance and support zone right here. Okay, and so you can see that This is a weekly time frame. From this level, market is actually making a lower low, and it seems as if it's kind of finding its way to this level again. All right. So, but look at what happened here. This is a double bottom, and market did what? Market went up, but it has not found his way to this very support zone again. All right. And look at what happened when market found his way to this place. He actually buy. All right. That's why I say that it's kind of stuck in a range, but still, respecting the fact that market is bullish from the monthly time frame. Okay. So right now we're going to be taking this off again, and we're going to be moving down to our daily time frame. All right. Now you could clearly see what market is doing as well. Look at this point. We have our beautiful support here. And we have our another resistance at this zone right here. This is the present one that we'll be making use of it, and this this is a daily time frame. So look at what I'm trying to let you guys know here. You could clearly see that this market was making a lower lows and lower high from this level, lower lows and lower high, and from trade market structure that we all know, when market is making a lower lows and lower high, it's indication of the fact that our market is actually trending down. All right. So you can clearly see that. I hope my chart is much clearer and you guys can see it very well. All right, let me quickly take it off, as you guys have understood. Okay, but look at what happened here, guys. Market get to this level, it did what? It started doing what? It started going up. It started making a higher highs from this place. And you remember, this is a daily time frame. All right, it started making a higher high from this level, and it was going up. Okay, so from this point, market is actually coming down. From this level, is actually going up. All right, so if you go back to this weekly time frame, you could see that it is this one bullish candlestick that is actually forming all this trend in a weekly time frame, in a daily time frame, sorry. All right, you could see that weekly time frame, just this and this. All right, currently now we're actually bullish. All right, and it's actually coming from this support level, and this is the daily time frame. All right, and look at what happened whenever market go to this support level in the daily time frame. Market did what? It will buy. Whichever time you get to this level, it broke it. It came here to test it. It would have turned it to a resistance, right, and drop. But it did what? It broke it and turned it to a support. And now we're actually trying to take off from here and go up. All right. So now, if you spot your trend line from this level now, it might be telling you that this market is likely to drop here. All right. But the only way you could be selling this market, and remember guys, this is a this is a daily time frame. The only way you should be shorting this market is when this market now, this trend now, this market actually move from where it is now to break it, not just breaking this support level, but come back to test it. Then you can now target the next level here. I hope this still makes sense, guys. All right, but as long as it's still at this support level here, there is no reason why you should be, shorting this market. You should be looking for a buy. Why? Look at what market has been proven to be doing whenever market get to this level, and you know that market is still at this very, very spot right here. And you see, it tested it here. He actually tested it right here. He actually tested. Look at this candlestick. He actually tested it here and rejected, and it's actually facing up right now. Okay, so let me take this trend line off. And we'll scale down to I'm going to be taking this one off as well, and we'll scale down to my 4-hour time frame. Beautiful. Now look at our 4-hour time frame. You could see that this market, it has been making a higher high from this level. It has been in a bullish trend from this level, just the one that you saw on a daily time frame. Okay, it has been making a higher high. So you get to this level, it formed an equal high here. You see, there was an equal high at this point. You could call it resistance or equal high. All right, so let me just keep this thing this way, and let me actually take it off. All right, there is an equal high right here. Pay attention, guys. There is an equal high right here. So remember, this market has been making a higher high. This high is higher than the previous high. Okay, so you're supposed to break this trend and test it and continue going up. But what happened? It started coming down from there. It started coming down from there, and there's actually a support at this level. Look at it here. There's actually a support at this level. Why are we using this very support? Because there are other support that we could have used here. We are using this very support is because market don't just fly. Market always find a place that it will get to before it will reverse. And if you are to analyze wherever market is, then you will now see if where you're actually taking your trade, whether it is actually a strong support or a strong resistance. You understand? How are you going to know? We are going to know when you have checked the past data and you have seen that market did like this place now. You see, it tested it here, you buy. It came to this place, it actually declined and came down. All right. So this very point now, this is 4-hour time frame. Look at what happened. It just repeated the same thing that I did here, whereby buying from here. So this level that this market is actually buying from now is telling you that this market is actually going up. All right. Because even if you are to spot your trend line from here, we're going to be doing it this 4-hour time frame. All right. Even if you are to, even if you spot your trend line from this level here now, and just like this, you scale down to your 1-hour time frame, you find out that this market actually, he has disrespected this trend line. Okay, he has actually disrespected it. Why? Because from this level now, this market, it should be dropping from here. But he did what? He broke it. And now that he's broken it, he's actually looking for, to a test of this very level. All right. So normally I don't really take trade that is at the middle of nowhere. Okay. So I rather wait for this market to come to this level again and give me something like double bottom. This is what I mean. From this level now, broke it, came to this level again, and boom. I hope this makes sense, guys. Just like this. Okay. Number one, we're actually trending with the trend, and market has been bullish from this level, but it got to this level, it started declining. It rejected here, triple top, it rejected here again, triple top again, came down, went up again, tested it, and declined to this downside. And now he is actually looking for a way to get to this level again. Get to this level, and he broke out this trend line. Let me take it off because this trend line is not actually much valid here. All right. So look at what market is actually doing here. Market is actually trying to find his way to give us a double bottom here now, because before it will now maybe probably go up from here. All right. So this is what I'm like. You see how it is easy to to analyze this market from the higher time frame. Remember, on the monthly time frame, market is bullish. The one candlestick that is there is enough for you to analyze the market. It's actually bullish because you are not a swing trader, you are a day trader just like me. Unless you are a swing trader. All right, but we started it as a top-down analysis. All right, if you're a swing trader, you should be marking out those support levels and resistance on the daily time frame. But this is how to analyze and get a market entry, because you cannot be trading $50 with a higher time frame. You are going to blow your account even before the market will go to your direction. So I gave you a top-down analysis on how to actually take advantage of the trend from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. I actually make profit from the market. I hope this really makes sense, guys. This 1-hour time frame, I don't go below it, but even if you go to 30 minutes time frame, it's still the same thing, guys. It's still the same thing. You can clearly see that it's actually looking for a way that it get to this level. And when you get to this level now, then you might be planning to buy this market from here, because a lot of people will be waiting from this place now. A lot of people will be waiting to buy from here. And so what you're going to do is this: you're going to be setting your buy limit at this level, because it doesn't really just, sometimes it doesn't just bounce off this support and start going up. Instead, it will break it, and when it breaks it, it's just looking for some people stop losses at this level to hunt it. But if you set your entry, if you set your buy limit here, and you are patient, right? When you are patient, and market will just come down here and trigger you in. And if it trigger you in here, you will not be in drawdown. So you should be setting your stop loss around this level here. All right. While your market order will be around this level. So once it triggers you in, then start going up. If you start going up, and you make profit. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, guys, you guys should help me to like and subscribe, as I'm still trying to grow this my YouTube channel. I promise to be bringing only educational video, guys. I have the clue about the market. I'm actually on my own journey as well, and I'm making progress little by little. And as you help me, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, because it's actually gonna go a long way for me. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, because I will see you guys on the next video that will be dropping soon. Peace out.